Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about what we're doing in Laser Engraving Project 2. In the body right here it says in this assignment you're going to get to learn a little more about Adobe Illustrator and the capabilities of the laser. You're going to raster engrave using the color black and vector cut out using the color red set at 0.001 or 1/1000th of an inch. The template file below has a couple of shapes set up for you to drag and drop so you can have these kind of things already, I guess, ready for you. You know how to do some engraving already because you know how to use text. We're also going to try to get some symbols in here in this assignment. So right below, the first thing we want to do is we're going to come in and we want to download. So clicking this, again, once we get into here, upper right hand corner, this download file. All right, when we download this piece, it is going to put it, or this document is going to put it onto our download folder in our PC or on our PC. We want to be doing this on the PCs in the back, by the way. And you should be able to double click right from here to open it up, which will bring you here. Now, the next thing is when you get this opened up, you'll see that in this white space, once again, this is your artboard. And in your artboard, it's changed now. It was a rectangular shape in our last assignment. Now it is a 2-inch by 2-inch square. And in that square, we also have a little circle, 1/8-inch circle, diameter-wise, that is cut out. These shapes right here, and then over here on the side are shapes that are already set up to cut on the laser. What I mean by that is if we select them, you'll see that we have no fill color. All right, you could actually have a fill color there, it's not a big deal. But the most important part is you have it set up to the color red, all right, which is right here, the cut line, and that we have it also set up to a 0.072 point stroke or 0.001 IN. If I were to double click that or triple click that and just type it in, 0.001 space IN and hit enter, it converts it to points, which is that same piece. Anyway, though, it tells the laser to cut wherever we have those types of lines. Now, our plan here is to put our cut lines that you want using the Move tool. If I wanted to have a different color or a different kind of shape here, I could select this, move it down, grab my star. Once again, I'm in the selection tool by clicking it and then clicking and dragging on the outside path. Usually when I bring it around, it kind of aligns and tells you if you're lined up with your other pieces. And if I bring this down and drop it, I could also realign my little circle by selecting that and then bringing it down in my piece a little bit also. Oh, my alarm's going off. I gotta go to duty. Now, the important parts though, we're gonna have a cut line. You don't have to have a cutout circle here or an oval, but if you choose to, the reason why we have it there is so you can put something through it, like a keychain or whatever it may be, feeding some kind of material through it so you can fasten it to something else. But we want to have an outside shape and an inside shape to cut out, and then we can also raster as far as go use our text tool, add images to engrave our workspace right here. I'm going to talk about that in the next video, but I hope this gets you started and kind of gets you going. Once again, you can use your text tool. If you go back to my assignment page, reminder that on my assignment page, just kind of clicking back into there, sorry, I have a lot of things opened up. There is video 1 and 2 in my playlist. Those 2 videos will be really helpful as far as learning Adobe Illustrator, so you can make your own shapes if you wanted to also for that outside cut or the inside cut. But I would suggest watching videos 1 and 2 and practicing and playing with those tools a little bit to learn the fundamentals before you start adjusting your Project 2 template file. Lastly, before we go, make sure we save. Once we get here, do a file save as, and just make sure you change the name so we know this is something different than your Project 2 template. I would suggest something like, let's go with something like Laser Engraving Project 2 or Project 2 in your initials. Hey, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.